Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you HC-V700 Panasonic 3D camera. It is very nice and really good camera, and I would like to show you and make some review of this camera. So we can look how it see, and I can tell you some basic information about this camera. So this camera is able making 60 frames per second. We have here 46 optical zoom. Here is the record button. Here and we need to charge the camera. We have here an DC connector for charging of the camera. Back of the camera is battery. I will show you how to change battery. This camera hasn't internal memory, so if you look from the down side, we can see here the memory card. Yeah, okay, it's closed now. Open, just click inside and we can choose the card here, and after we can insert back and again close. Okay, like this. Okay, how to charge this camera? So I can take the cable. It's okay, again very easy. Here is the connector for charging. Just open like this. And put okay. And camera is charged. We can check if charged. No, because I have an energy. Okay, now we are charging. Because we can see the white for charging. What I can show you now is if we want to start and record, we need to open this, and here I can do like this. Here we can use this power button. And what do we have here? So here we have an HDTV connector. Next is an video port, and this is a mic port, and we have also USB port if we want to import or export something from the camera. And of course here we have a shoe adapter release. This is good for the photo. What is possible to do is this glass is possible to change, which is very nice, like this. during the camera. And what we have here also is this port for external adapter, or place for the adapter. And here we can see the special microphone. This with very good voice, and also external light if you are making a video in the dark room or somewhere outside. So something like this. What I forget is that it's possible to make photo, and for photo we can use this button, special button, and this is also the zoom, a button for optical zoom. And here we have 3 different types of camera. So now I have for the recording, but first is for preview, and last one is for making photos. What I want to show you is also how to change the batteries, because it's good if you do want to go to nature and you want to do more videos. It's good to have 2 batteries. So I can output this, and I can show you how to change the batteries. I'm sorry, I have to bring my camera here. And now I can show you how to change.